The POCO X7 Pro, slated for release in early 2025, is set to make a significant impact in the mid-range smartphone market with its impressive specifications and competitive pricing. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset, the device promises robust performance, complemented by up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, catering to both multitasking and extensive media storage needs. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, enhancing photo clarity and stability, alongside additional lenses for ultra-wide and macro photography. A substantial 6,000 mAh battery supports 90W fast charging, allowing for a full charge in just 42 minutes, minimizing downtime for users. Additional features such as an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, dual stereo speakers, and the latest HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15 further enhance its appeal. With an expected starting price of approximately $325, the POCO X7 Pro offers a compelling blend of high-end features at an accessible price point, positioning it as a strong contender in its segment.